Hi guys, welcome once again. This is Kelly from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Phoenix model E10 German machine. Okay, I think there are some German inscriptions here, but I don't know what it is. But though it's a very strong sewing machine. I want to thank all my subscribers and those that buy these machines from me, and also those that watch my videos. Thank you so much, guy. I really appreciate it. So quickly, I'll run through the features of the machine and also do some stitches also with the machine. Now, it has a thread stand. You can see that there. All right. And this right here is the needle position, which is the left, the middle, and the right. Okay, for the buttonhole and zipper. Right here it has the straight stitch, which is the 0. You see that? And if you move that beyond this point, you're actually sewing the zigzag. All right. Over here you have your stitch length regulator. Okay, and it has a punch-in reverse mechanism. Right here you have the feed dogs control, and over here you have your tension, and you have the bobbin winder, of course, here. The electric motor is at the back. Okay, if you want to use it with a treadle, you just have to remove the belt that connects the motor to the wheel. All right, it uses the regular bobbin and shuttle mechanism, and it also has a side threading mechanism. You see that? So you thread the needle from left to right. All right, so I'll quickly show you how to wind the bobbin and also do some stitches with the machine. All right, guys, in winding the bobbin, you just, from the thread stand here, you take that from there, you just pass it through this spring mechanism here. There's a spring mechanism here that actually stretches the thread. So you just pass that from there and you do some couple of wound on the thread you want to use. Okay, sorry, I already have some thread on this, but I can make it with that. And just make sure you key that in there. All right, so when you just push that towards the wheel, and when you sew through, see that? I'm holding this so it won't jump off. All right, guys, so when you've gotten the amount of wand you want, you just push that back in and take out the bobbin. All right, that's a little bit stuck, sorry. Okay, so that's the bobbin. Then I'll just put that back in on the shuttle I have here. Okay, so all right, now in threading the machine is quite easy. From the thread stand, you just go all the way to this spiral here, and you come here and you just go all the way through here. Make sure you just pass through the first. There's a first spiral here. But what I do most times is I just want to make sure I just pass through just one. I'm good. All right, so from there, sorry, just have to get this done. Okay, so it's actually inside. Then you pass it through the tension. You make sure you raise the footer up. Okay, so you can actually pass freely through the tension. See that? Then from the tension, it goes all the way to this thread carrier. Then it goes down. So I'm gonna do that in a moment now. See that? Goes to this way. Then, like I said, you thread from left to right. So I'll quickly walk you through the threading process from the thread stand, okay, to this point here, to this point here. It goes all the way inside the tension, okay, and it goes up and down. Then you thread from left to right. Okay, so I'll quickly thread the needle, put back the bobbin on the shuttle, and sew it. All right. All right, guys, I already threaded the needle, so I'm using the higher stitch length here. And when I sew through, I'm sewing the regular straight stitch. This has to be on 0, and this has to be on the middle part of the needle position. So when I sew through now, all right, you see that? That's the front, and that is the back stitch. I'm actually using 4 layers of denim, so I'll just reduce the stitch length a bit and actually sew with it again. All right, right, so that's a much more reduced stitch length. You can see that from the back. All right, that's the front. Now, if you want to sew the zigzag, I also said that the machine has a zigzag function. All you just do is just to move this lever. Once you move beyond the 0 mark, you're sewing the zigzag. Okay, so I'm using number 5, and I want to reduce the stitch length just a little bit more so I can get a much more better zigzag. Right, see the zigzag, that's the front, and that is the back. Okay, so you can actually reduce this zigzag, like as always, to get a much more firmer and a tighter and a closer zigzag. So you just take the stitch length more a bit, then I think I should just get rid of it. It's actually faster than this, but I'm just trying to take it easy so you can see the process. So there you have it, the much more reduced stitch length. So now if you want to return it back to regular straight stitch, all you just have to do is to move this lever back to 0, and of course I like using the higher stitch length. Then when you sew through, like I said, it has a punch and reverse mechanism. Once you punch this, you see it's going back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. All right, guys, thank you so much. This is the Phoenix model E10 sewing machine. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and God bless you all.